The state of Uttarakhand, India, has seen the emergence of a plentiful of writers and poets, all of whose work remains powerfully popular till date. The scenic beauty and ambience of tranquility inspires a constantly working writer's mind in a fraction of seconds. Awarded authors include Shekhar Joshi, Shailesh Matiyani, and Anita Desai, while profound poets include Viren Dangwal and Sumitra Nandan Pant. English writer Ruskin Bond's articulate descriptions of Dehradun and Missouri in his esteemed works fail to go unnoticed till date. It is the uniqueness of aesthetic literature which screams vividness in the culture of various locations, of which Anita Desai's Diamond Dust and Shekhar Joshi's Dangri Wale are prime examples. These intriguing books share the top with poems of ingenious talents like Sumitra Nandan Pant's Kale Badal and Viren Dangwal's Parampara. One of the largest things necessary to attract tourists is undoubtedly the vast expanse of the state's literature, which seems to be nothing less than Uttarakhand's specialty.
The folklore of Uttarakhand, indeed the lives of the people, are filled with dancing. It is the main part of their tradition and heritage. Locals here believe that dance is not only for humans to entertain, but for them the art to please gods, not to fail man. The art of dancing also owes its inspiration to the fascinating mythical dancing damsels who dwell on snow-clad peaks. Some popular folk dances of Uttarakhand include Langveer Nritya. Langveer Nritya is an acrobatic dance and is performed by the men folk only. In this dance, a long bamboo pole is fixed at a place. The dancer acrobat climbs to the top of this pole and then balances himself on his stomach on the top. Under the pole, a band of musicians play dhol and damana while the dancer acrobat rotates on the top of this pole, doing other stunts with the help of his hands and feet. The dance is popular in Tehri Garhwal region. Pandav Nritya. Pandav Nritya, which is related to the story of Mahabharata, has been very popular, particularly in the Garhwal region. Pandav Nritya is nothing but a simple narration of the story of Mahabharata in the form of dance and music. The narration is mostly enacted on the occasion of Dashera and Diwali. Chaunpula and Jumela. Chaunpula and Jumela form part of seasonal dances which are performed from Basant Panchami to Baisakhi. Jumela is sometimes mixed but is usually restricted to women. Chaunpula is a spinning dance performed by all sections of the community at night, in groups by men and women. Chaunpula folk songs are composed for the appreciation of nature during various occasions.
Uttarakhand, famously nicknamed as the land of the gods, is in no shortage of pilgrimage sites to visit. Uttarakhand plays host to a variety of temples of significant religious pasts. Some of them are always busy, bustling, and located in the heart of cities, and some are very quiet and situated on mountain tops. Two very famous pilgrimage chains to visit in Uttarakhand are the Chota Char Dham and the Panch Tirth. Chota Char Dham, which is a very famous set of pilgrimage sites, consists of the four holy Hindu shrines, Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri, and Yamunotri, which are all located in the Garhwal district of Uttarakhand. The Panch Tirth of Haridwar are Gangadwar, Kushavarth, Bilwa Tirtha of the Mansa Devi Temple, and Neel Parvat, also known as the Chandi Devi Temple. Uttarakhand, being a Himalayan state, offers a vast range of trekking and mountaineering sites, with numerous treks and expeditions taking place in the higher altitudes. The long chains of mountains invite huge groups of adventure seekers year after year. Uttarakhand is truly a haven of trekking. Another famed tourist haunt is the Lakshman Jhula Bridge. Built in 1930, the bridge connects the two villages of Tapovan in Tehri Garhwal district to Jonk in Pauri Garhwal district. Until recently, it was serving as a bridge to 2 and 3 wheeler vehicles, but recently it was shut off to all vehicles due to its deteriorating condition. Brother to this bridge is the Ram Jhula, built in 1986. The bridge is bigger than the Lakshman Jhula and connects the Shivananda Nagar area of Munikireti in Tehri Garhwal district to Swargashram in Pauri Garhwal district.
Biodiversity of Uttarakhand. Biodiversity-wise, Uttarakhand ranks 6th among the other states. The state has varied terrain. Major portion is mountainous with unique ecological diversity consisting of high alpine areas to the subtropical and tropical regions. Total forest cover area in the state is 3.47 million hectare, constituting 71% of the state's geographical area. Fauna found in this region include tiger, bear, Indian elephant, leopard, rhesus monkey, goral, and a variety of resident and migratory bird species. Flora found in this region include Himalayan cedar, Himalayan pine, alpine forest, oak, silver fir, chestnut, elm, cypress, etc. Different national parks in Uttarakhand. Jim Corbett National Park. It is the oldest national park in India and was established to protect the endangered Bengal tiger. The park was first to come under the Project Tiger initiative. It houses around 110 tree species, 50 species of mammals, 580 bird species, and 225 reptile species. Rajaji National Park. It became the second tiger reserve in Uttarakhand. Rajaji National Park is predominantly formed from dense green jungles. The park is at the northwestern limit of distribution for both elephants and tigers in India. The park is most known for its elephants. Nanda Devi National Park. The national park was inscribed a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1988. It was later.
Uttarakhand has many achievers who have made their way in various fields of life. We will take a look at three famous personalities from Uttarakhand. 1. General Bipin Rawat. He is the ex-Chief of Army Staff and the first Chief of Defence Staff in India. 2. Anushka Sharma, actress and producer, was awarded Filmfare Award for Best Supporting Actress in 2012. 3. Mahindra Singh Dhoni, a former Indian international cricketer who captained the Indian national team from 2007 to 2016 and in Test cricket from 2008 to 2014. Thank you.
History of Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is a state which is located in the northern part of India. Uttarakhand was formed on November 9, 2000 out of Uttar Pradesh. The President of India, K.R. Narayan, approved the Uttar Pradesh Reorganization Bill on 28 August 2000 and then it turned into an act. On 9 November 2000, the new state Uttarakhand came into existence and this was the 27th state of India. Geographical area of Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand has a total geographical area of 53,483 kilometers, out of which 86% is mountainous regions and 65% is covered by forest. Most of the northern plains of this state are the parts of glacier Himalaya ranges that covered with high Himalayan peaks and glaciers. The highest point in Uttarakhand is the Nanda Devi mountain, which ranges till 7,816 meters.